Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how a prevent website to access to open images on your Chrome. So here maybe you want to visit sites that are like copyright, that contain copyright image or inappropriate image. So you can try to disable image on that site. Before you open that site, please click on setting, go to the settings, but click three dot at top right corner of your screen, breakdown, click settings, and click on privacy and security, and click site settings. Under permission, there is additional permissions option, click it, and here you can try to find the images. But if you don't find in latest version, you can see there's a content option, you can see there's images option, click it, and here site usually show images to provide illustration like photos for online store or news article. By default, sites can show image, but here you can try to click this in order to do not allow sites to show the images. Features that need images will not work. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the text button below. See you in the next video.